You guys need another one of those?
Nope, I think.
Off the tarp!
No, he does not want to. Okay. Obviously an outfielder, 802.
Hey, Michael. Where's Michael's story?
It's showing 802 as a, Actually, no, you don't need the left-handers because they're not for group A, B, and C.